Hello everyone. Welcome to all on our YouTube channel Mathematics Classes. I am Rupal Gupta. I hope you are all fine. Today we will solve the question number 1 to question number 5 of exercise 2.4. आप इस वीडियो को पूरा देखना. इसमें हमने हर क्वेश्चन को डिफरेंट मेथड से डिटेल में समझाया है. Please do watch our previous video as well, in which we have explained the concept of place value, value of digit in a number, and how to solve algebra digit problem. It will help you a lot. Let's solve the exercise questions. Question number 1. Amina thinks of a number and subtracts 5 by 2 from it. She multiplies the result by 8. The result now obtained is 3 times the same number she thought of. What is the number? Since we don't know the number, so let us assume the number to be x. यहाँ क्वेश्चन में गिवन है अमीना जो नंबर सोचती है उसमें 5 by 2 सब्ट्रैक्ट करती है. So here our number to be x. So after subtracting 5 by 2 from the number, we get x minus 5 by 2. Then she multiplies the result by 8. Means जो result आया है उसमें 8 का multiply करती है. So after multiplying by 8, we get 8 into x minus 5 by 2. According to the question, this expression is 3 times the same number she thought of. So, 8 multiplied by x minus 5 by 2 equal to 3x. Then, 8 goes into the bracket and after solving this, we get 8x minus 20 equal to 3x. Now, 3x को left hand side ले जाएंगे and minus 20 को right hand side. So, we get 8x minus 3x equal to 20. Which is equal to 5x equal to 20. To remove 5 from here, divide both sides by 5, we get x equal to 4. So the number is 4. We can also check the answer. Left hand side is 8 bracket में 4 minus 5 by 2 equal to 8 into 3 by 2 which is equal to 12. And right hand side is 3x equal to 3 into 4 which is also 12. Here LHS equal to RHS. So above answer is correct. Question number 2. A positive number is 5 times another number. If 21 is added to both the numbers, then one of the new numbers become twice the other new number. What are the numbers? यहाँ भी हमें नंबर नहीं पता है और क्वेश्चन में एक पॉजिटिव नंबर के बारे में बताया गया है जो दूसरे नंबर से 5 गुना है. सो इस नंबर को हम पहला नंबर मान सकते हैं और अनदर नंबर को दूसरा. हमें पहला नंबर नहीं पता है तो let the first number be x. Then the another or second number will be 5 times of x, so 5x. In the question, they are adding 21 to both the numbers. So, after adding 21 to both numbers, we get first number equal to x plus 21 and second number equal to 5x plus 21. But according to question, if 21 is added to both the numbers, then one of the new numbers become twice the other new number. Always remember that only largest number can be 2 times the smallest number. Second number, पहले नंबर का 5 टाइम्स है सो वो बड़ा नंबर होगा और बड़े नंबर और छोटे नंबर को इक्वल करने के लिए हमें छोटे नंबर का 2 टाइम्स लेना पड़ेगा. इसे ऐसे समझते हैं. सपोज बड़ा नंबर 20 है और छोटा 10. सो 10 को 20 के बराबर करने के लिए 10 में हमें 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. So 20 equal to 10 into 2. Similarly here also larger number equal to 2 times smaller number. So 21 plus 5x equal to 2 in the bracket x plus 21. Transposing 2x to LHS and 21 to RHS, we obtain 5x minus 2x equal to 42 minus 21, which becomes 3x equal to 21. After dividing both sides by 3, we get x equal to 7. This is our first number. And put the value of x in 5x, we get 35, which is 5 times 7 equal to 35. This is our second number. Hence, the numbers are 7 and 35 respectively. You can also check it here. As 35 is 5 times of 7, and if we add 21 to both numbers, then we get 35 plus 21 and 7 plus 21, which is 56 and 28. We know that 56 is 2 times of 28. So, our answer is correct. Question number 3. Sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. When we interchange the digits, it is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. What is the 2-digit number? We have already solved this type of question in the previous video. Kindly do watch to know about the number structure and how to solve the algebraic word problems. लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में गिवन है. आप उस वीडियो को पूरा देखें. उसमें इस तरह के क्वेश्चन को कैसे सॉल्व करना है बताया गया है. Now, the sum of the 2-digit number is 9. Most of the time, initially, we suppose our unit digit as x, but this time we will start our solution with tens digit. Let's the tens digit to be x. Since the sum of digit is 9, so unit digit will be 9 minus x. We can think the same by taking some numeric value, like if tens digit is 4, then unit digit must be 5 because 4 plus 5 is 9. If 10 digit is 3, then units digit must be 6 because 3 plus 6 is 9. Similarly, if 10 digit is 2 and 1, then unit digit must be 7 and 8 because 7 plus 2 and 8 plus 1 both are 9. These 5, 6, 7 and 8 can be written as 9 minus tens digit as 9 minus 4, 9 minus 3, 9 minus 2 and 9 minus 1 respectively. यहाँ हम देख सकते हैं हर केस में हमने यूनिट डिजिट फाइंड आउट करने के लिए 9 से टेंस डिजिट को माइनस किया है. Then using the same logic, if tens place is x, so units digit will be 9 minus x. So original number will be 10x plus 9 minus x, which becomes 9x plus 9. Reversing the digits, our unit digit will be x and tens digit will be 9 minus x. We have to switch their places. So, new number will be 10 bracket में 9 minus x plus x equal to 90 minus 10x plus x, which becomes 90 minus 9x. As new number is greater than the original number by 27, so न्यू नंबर एंड ओरिजिनल नंबर को इक्वल रखने के लिए हमें ओरिजिनल नंबर में 27 ऐड करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि न्यू नंबर 27 ज़्यादा है ओरिजिनल से. सो न्यू नंबर इक्वल टू ओरिजिनल नंबर प्लस 27. 90 minus 9x equal to 9x plus 9 plus 27. 90 minus 9x equal to 9x plus 36. Transpose minus 9x to right hand side and 36 to left hand side. We get 90 minus 36 equal to 18x or 18x equal to 54. Dividing both sides by 18, we get x equal to 3, which is our tens place, and 9 minus x equal to 6. This is our unit place. Hence, the digits at tens place and ones place of the number are 3 and 6 respectively. Therefore, put the value of x in 9x plus 9, we will get our original number 9 into 3 plus 9, which becomes 36. You can also check the solution as sum of the digit is 9, that is 6 plus 3. Also, when we reverse this number, you will get a new number as 63, which is 27 more than the original number, as 63 equal to 36 plus 27. Let's see our number. It is 63 and 36. In each case, the difference between the digit is 3. डिफरेंस के लिए हम हमेशा बड़ी डिजिट माइनस छोटी डिजिट करेंगे. नाउ वी कैन ऑल्सो सॉल्व अवर क्वेश्चन बाय अनदर मेथड, स्टार्टिंग विथ टेकिंग यूनिट डिजिट फर्स्ट. सो यहाँ हमने पहले यूनिट डिजिट को x माना है, देन टेंस डिजिट 9 माइनस x होगा. यहाँ टेबल्स की वैल्यूज को भी अकॉर्डिंगली चेंज किया है. पहले यूनिट डिजिट है, फिर टेंस डिजिट. लॉजिक पिछले सॉल्यूशन की तरह सेम होगा. नाउ दिस टाइम आवर ओरिजिनल नंबर वुड बी 90 minus 9x and after reversing the number we will get 9x plus 9. आप अगर ऑब्जर्व करेंगे तो इस बार हमारे नंबर भी चेंज हो गए हैं, बट लॉजिक हमें सेम रखना है. फिर अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन सेम वे में हम न्यू नंबर ओरिजिनल से 27 ज़्यादा है तो न्यू नंबर इक्वल टू ओरिजिनल नंबर प्लस 27. और यहाँ पर इक्वेशन अलग बनेगी, बट अगर हम कांस्टेंट 90 एंड 27 को एक साथ ऐड करें और सुटेबल ट्रांसपोज करें तो हमारा इक्वेशन रिड्यूस हो जाए तो उस केस में हमें 18x इक्वल टू 108 मिलेगा. एंड अगर फर्दर 18 से दोनों साइड डिवाइड करें तो x इक्वल टू 6 मिलेगा. दिस 6 इज एक्चुअली द यूनिट डिजिट बिकॉज इस सॉल्यूशन में हमने x को यूनिट डिजिट माना था. सो टेंस प्लेस इक्वल टू 9 माइनस x विच इज 3. If we again form our original number which is 90 minus 9x by putting the value of x as 6, we will again get 36. आप क्वेश्चन कैसे भी सॉल्व करें, बस हमें हमेशा ध्यान रखना है कि लॉजिक हमेशा सेम रहेगा नंबर फॉर्मेशन के लिए और सब कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई करना चाहिए जैसे कि हमने यहाँ पर देखा. नाउ let us move to the next question. Question number 4. One of the two digits of a two-digit number is 3 times the other digit. If you interchange the digits of this two-digit number and add the resulting number to the original number, you get 88. What is the original number? So, let the ones place digit equal to x. Then tens place digit equal to 3 times ones place, that is 3x. So number formed equal to 10 into tens digit plus unit digit, that is 10 into 3x plus x will be equal to 30x plus x becomes 31x. Let us reverse the digit. Unit digit equal to 3x and tens digit equal to x. Reverse number formed equal to 10 into x plus 3x, which becomes 13x. According to the question, the sum of both number is 88. So 31x plus 13x equal to 88. If we add LHS and then divided by 44, we get x as 2. So we get our unit digit as 2. Since our original number is 31x, so putting the value of x as 2, we get 62. You can also check the solution. 6 is 3 times the number, and the reverse of 62 gives you 26, and their addition is 88. So the solution is correct. क्या आप बता सकते हैं कि इस क्वेश्चन का एक यूनिक आंसर होगा या कोई दूसरा भी आंसर हो सकता है? Truly speaking, it depends on the condition of the question itself. Let us read it first line again. It is saying one of the two digits of a two-digit number is 3 times the other digit. It is not sure which digit. So here our answer is 62. Because its one digit, that is 6, is 3 times the other digit, which is an units digit. And the sum of number and after reversing the number is 88. Can you guess any other answer which satisfy both conditions of this question? Yes, it's 26 because here also digit 6, which is at unit place, is 3 times the other digit, that is 2, which is at tens place. So to get 26 as an answer, we can proceed by thinking about the tens digit first and then unit digit. If we take tens digit as x, then unit digit will be 3x. And using these digit places, we get our original number formation. And if we interchange the places of these digits, then we will be having 31x as the reverse number formed. Again, sum will be 88. So, adding both these numbers and equating to 88, we will get our linear equation. So, x is equal to 2. That will be our tens digit. And unit digit would be 6. Hence, final number will be 26. This number also fulfills all the condition of question, so this is the valid solution. This question is from our previous video. Its solution is also 62. Please do watch our previous video to get a detailed explanation about this question. Now, can you guess whether this question will also have different answer? The answer is no. The reason is that here in the first line it is mentioned that the digit at the tens place of a two-digit number is thrice the digit at the ones place. Here it's clearly mentioned the places, that is tens place and units place. So only we have 62, which fulfills all the requirement. Question number 5. Shobo's mother's present age is 6 times Shobo's present age. Shobo's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. What are their present ages? We do not know both the age. So let Shobo's age be x years. And in the question it is given that मदर की जो प्रेजेंट एज है वो 6 टाइम्स होगा शोभोज की प्रेजेंट एज के बराबर. Therefore, his mother's age will be 6x years. Shobho's age 5 years from now means after 5 years from now. His current age is x years. So, 5 साल के बाद उसकी एज हो जाएगी x plus 5 year. But he is also be 1/3 of his mother's present age. So, according to question, 5 साल के बाद शोभोज की एज हो जाएगी 1/3 और 1/3 times of the Shobho's mother's present age. Shobho's age is x plus 5 and Shobho's mother's present age is 6x. So, x plus 5 equal to 6x by 3. X plus 5 equal to 2x. Transposing x to RHS, we obtain 5 equal to 2x minus x, which becomes 5 equal to x or x equal to 5. This is the Shobho's age. And to find his mother's age, we will put the value of x in 6x. So, 6x equal to 6 times 5, which becomes 30. Therefore, the present age of Shobho and Shobho's mother will be 5 years and 30 years respectively. You can check the solution. Here, the age of Shobho after 5 years would be 5 plus 5, that is 10 years. And you can see here, 10 can be written as 30 by 3. So, it's a 1/3 of his mother's age. So, our solution is correct. Thank you so much for watching the video. अगर अभी तक आपने मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, so please do subscribe. And if you are having any doubt, kindly do post your comment below. In the next lecture, we will solve the exercise 2.4 from question number 6 to question number 10. Stay safe. See you soon.